Picture this. You're dreaming of a Caribbean escape where crystal-clear waters meet pristine white sand, and luxury comes standard. Today we're diving deep into Hyatt Zilara Cancun, an adults-only paradise that promises to deliver exactly that experience. This five-star all-inclusive resort sits right in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, and after analyzing countless guest reviews, official amenities, and industry reports, we're here to give you the complete picture of what awaits at this premium destination. Let's start with what you'll call home during your stay. Hyatt Zilara Cancun doesn't mess around when it comes to accommodations, offering exclusively suites that range from spacious to absolutely massive. The standard suites clock in at around 540 to 645 square feet, which is already larger than many hotel rooms you'll find elsewhere. These aren't just big spaces, though. They're thoughtfully designed with separate living areas, marble bathrooms, and private balconies or terraces that offer either ocean, garden, or partial ocean views. Every suite comes loaded with premium bedding that feels like sleeping on a cloud, flat-screen televisions with streaming capabilities, air conditioning that actually works, and fully stocked minibars that won't cost you extra since everything's included. The coffee and tea makers are a nice touch for those early morning beach walks, and the bathrobes and premium toiletries make you feel pampered from the moment you arrive. Step up to the junior suites, and you're looking at 645 to 807 square feet of pure luxury, complete with enhanced bathrooms featuring soaking tubs perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. The master suites and signature suites are where things get really impressive, offering over 800 square feet of space with separate bedrooms and living rooms, luxury bathrooms with jacuzzi tubs and rainfall showers, and some even come with private plunge pools. The beachfront and oceanfront suites are the crown jewels, providing direct beach access and ocean views right from your bed. What really sets these accommodations apart is the attention to detail, from the work desks for those who absolutely must check email, to the safes for your valuables, to the high-speed internet that actually lives up to its name. Now let's talk about something that can make or break any vacation, the food and drinks. Hyatt Zilara Cancun takes their dining seriously, offering multiple restaurants and bars that cater to every craving you might have. The main restaurant serves as your go-to spot for international buffet dining with a la carte options, featuring everything from fresh Caribbean seafood to perfectly grilled meats and international favorites that remind you of home. The open kitchen concept adds some entertainment to your meal, and the live cooking stations ensure everything arrives fresh and hot. Operating from early morning until late evening, this restaurant accommodates breakfast lovers who rise with the sun and dinner enthusiasts who prefer fashionably late meals. The specialty restaurants are where the culinary team really shows off, typically including a premium steakhouse that serves cuts so tender you could cut them with a fork, an Asian fusion restaurant featuring fresh sushi and authentic Asian specialties, and an Italian restaurant that would make your Italian grandmother proud with handmade pasta and Mediterranean classics. These venues require reservations, but since you're all-inclusive, there's no additional charge, just pure culinary indulgence. The Beach Club offers casual dining right on the sand, perfect for those lazy afternoon meals when you don't want to leave the ocean breeze behind. When it comes to drinks, the resort doesn't hold back with multiple bars scattered throughout the property. The swim-up bar lets you sip tropical cocktails without ever leaving the pool, while the lobby bar serves premium spirits and expertly crafted coffee drinks. The beach bar keeps the daytime beverages flowing, and the wine bar offers curated selections for the more sophisticated palate. The beverage program includes top-shelf spirits, craft cocktails, and an impressive wine selection that pairs perfectly with the ocean's sunset views. The pool and beach situation at Hyatt Zilara Cancun is nothing short of spectacular. The main pool is a lagoon-style masterpiece spanning over 10,000 square feet, featuring multiple depth levels from shallow lounging areas to deeper swimming sections. This isn't just a pool, it's an aquatic playground complete with waterfall features that create a tropical soundtrack and strategically placed lounge seating both in and out of the water. The swim-up bar ensures you never have to leave the water for refreshments, and the surrounding deck offers plenty of shade structures and premium cabanas for those who prefer their relaxation with a side of luxury. The adults-only pool provides a quieter alternative, designed specifically for relaxation and peaceful conversation rather than active swimming and games. Multiple hot tubs and jacuzzis are positioned throughout the property, heated to perfection and offering prime sunset viewing opportunities. The beach access is immediate and private, stretching approximately 300 to 400 meters of pristine Caribbean coastline that's meticulously maintained and regularly cleaned. The sand is soft and white, sloping gradually into warm, crystal-clear Caribbean waters that maintain comfortable temperatures year-round. Beach services include complimentary loungers and umbrellas positioned at perfect intervals, professional towel service that means you never have to worry about soggy towels, and attentive beverage service that brings your favorite drinks right to your beach chair. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep busy with complimentary snorkeling gear, paddleboards, and kayaks, while more adventurous activities like jet skiing and parasailing are available for additional fees. Beach volleyball courts provide entertainment for the competitive crowd, and the beach attendants ensure everything stays clean and organized throughout the day. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Hyatt Zilara Cancun offers an impressive array of activities that cater to every energy level and interest. The fitness center is fully equipped with modern cardio machines, including treadmills with ocean views, ellipticals, and stationary bikes, plus a complete selection of free weights and resistance machines. What sets this fitness facility apart is the daily class schedule featuring yoga sessions at sunrise, high-energy Zumba classes, traditional aerobics, and water aerobics held right in the main pool. Personal training sessions are available for those who want customized workout plans, and the stretching area with yoga mats and props encourages guests to maintain their wellness routines even while on vacation. Beyond the gym, the resort organizes daily activities that range from beach volleyball tournaments to pool games and competitions. Evening entertainment includes live bands performing everything from Caribbean rhythms to international favorites, theatrical performances that showcase local culture, and themed nights that celebrate Mexican traditions and Caribbean influences. The lobby bar often features live acoustic performances perfect for romantic evenings, while the beach bar hosts more energetic entertainment during sunset hours. Dance performances, comedy shows during peak season, and karaoke nights provide variety throughout the week. For those who prefer quieter activities, the resort offers cultural workshops, cooking demonstrations, and educational presentations about local marine life and conservation efforts. The spa and wellness facilities at Hyatt Zilara Cancun transform relaxation into an art form. The full-service spa features 8 to 12 private treatment rooms where skilled therapists perform everything from traditional Swedish massages to deep tissue work that melts away vacation stress before it even begins. Hot stone massages incorporate heated volcanic stones for deeper muscle relaxation, while specialized facials using premium products target everything from sun exposure to anti-aging concerns. Body treatments include exfoliating scrubs made with local ingredients and hydrating wraps that leave skin silky smooth. Couples treatments are particularly popular, offering side-by-side massages in romantic settings perfect for honeymooners and anniversary celebrations. The signature treatments incorporate Mayan-inspired techniques and local ingredients like honey, sea salt, and tropical fruits that connect guests to the regional culture. Beyond individual treatments, the spa facilities include a traditional sauna for detoxification, steam rooms that open pores and promote circulation, and a dedicated hydrotherapy pool designed for therapeutic water therapy. The relaxation lounge provides a peaceful space to unwind before and after treatments, complete with herbal teas and healthy snacks. Reflexology sessions focus on pressure points in the feet to promote overall wellness, and the changing facilities are spacious and well-appointed with luxury amenities. The spa operates from early morning until evening, accommodating guests who prefer morning treatments to start their day, refreshed, or evening sessions to unwind after beach activities. Reservations are strongly recommended and can be arranged through the concierge service or directly at the spa reception. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.